Denver has voted us the best chicken sandwich for the past 6 years. Today we're putting it up against the Giant that closes on Sundays. Let's see if it still takes the crown. Let's go.
Can we just try it? All right, word.
Solid.
That one's good. That one's really good.
I like the crunch. I like the bread. It's not soggy at all.
I already have my choice.
That's good.
Pretty fire.
Maybe for a second? Yeah.
Pickles on there. Lift the hands of the one you like more. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Ready? 3, 2,
Oh.
1, go. Let's see our winner. Looks like Birdcall made it out on top today. Check out any of our in-store locations or check us out online. See you soon.